Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'. What's up, Yummy Biters? Welcome back to another episode of YUMMYBITESv. Y'all, I'm right here. Y'all, today we are doing grilled burgers, grilled cheeseburgers with bacon. What else? Oh, we have fries cooking over there. Mershall's gonna have to leave the table so he can go and get the fries. But yeah, y'all, got the grill going, and I'm excited. Okay, who's ready? Is anybody ready?
I am.
All right, let's pray.
God bless this food because you are great. Pray that it be blessed and nourishing to our mind, bodies, and soul. Amen. Hold up. And bless us with good, pure energy, Lord, and light and love from heaven, and shower down and destroy all darkness on this planet.
Amen. Y'all, this is my, what kind of punch is this? Island punch, y'all, with sliced cucumbers. Guys, it's good.
You can taste it.
Yeah. If you let it like soak in there, you can taste it. Delicious. Okay, y'all. So the burgers is almost done. We wanted to start them before we started the video, y'all. So they can be nice and hot.
Is this all the meat?
Yeah. Yep. You can get two if you want. Alright. I'm gonna put cheese on this one. Oh, your daddy don't want cheese on his. Huh? Where? What you say? Just get it. Oh my God. Is that mine?
Are they ready to come off of this?
Yeah, they ready. Yeah. Mike, can you turn it off for me? Please. No. This. How do you do this? Just turn it off where it says off. I wanted to put some onions on here. Yeah, I'm about to put some onions on here real quick, hopefully. Turn it back on real quick. Please. Alright, y'all. Thought that we bring y'all something different today. Since we've never grilled on camera, I thought this would be pretty fun. Is it yours?
You put on a napkin first so the grease doesn't get off of it?
I just didn't want your cheese to stick to the napkin. I'm gonna, you know what? I'll just put it on the top. How about that? I want to cook these. You want yours on a napkin too?
No.
Yeah, what's today? Is today Friday? Or Thursday?
Thursday.
Y'all, happy Friday. Hope y'all having an amazing Friday. Hamburgers are Friday buys. Why that light not on? Did you cut it back on?
It's on. I cut it back on. My burger a little too tall. What's going on?
Oh my God.
I got a
Can I
lot
have
of
some
stuff
pickles?
on it.
Sure. Here. I was about to get them for you. Dog it. Yes, sir.
I don't know how I'm gonna bite this.
Oh my goodness. I thought the oil's supposed to get caught somewhere.
What, is it on the table?
Yes. Oh my God. Y'all, there's oil. Oh my God. Bring me something. Oh, yum.
My burger, yeah.
Y'all, I'm gonna have a link to this grill in the description box. Hopefully I can find a link because I know that this grill sold out when as soon as lovely Mimi said something about it on her channel. This mug sold out, y'all. And then they went up on it. For the ones that was left, they went up on it. Just gonna keep her to ketchup.
Would anybody like some homemade fries with slap your mama sauce?
Yes, sir.
Wait, hold on, let me hear it.
All right. Come on, y'all. Yeah, I have to have some caramelized grilled onions on mine.
Mama.
Yeah.
Come on. What's mine?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't got time.
Exactly.
I gotta have a little more burn on mine though.
What?
Everybody got this? These what?
Okay.
Oh, you got yours
right
already?
here. Yeah.
Oh, I might shoot.
You mean shoot?
Good?
Oh, yeah, you need ketchup.
Oh, y'all. Okay, so this is my video. This is my suggestion. So if my video gets more views than anybody else's, because we're gonna be doing everybody's video. We did Leia's yesterday. We're doing mine today, and tomorrow.
We're doing views or thumbs up?
We're doing views. We already said it. We already said views.
Like views don't necessarily equate. You know what I'm saying?
To a better video?
Exactly. It's all about the thumbs up, baby. You know it.
Well, we should have said that in her video. Then they would have, you know. I don't know.
It's views now. You can't change it.
That's how I feel. You always try to change something.
No, because that's the more accurate reason. Like, you know, to go by views, people can click on something and don't like it. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. I'm winning regardless. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just a winner. It don't matter what happens. I'm just always winning.
Okay. Can we turn the grill off?
Yeah.
Turn off mine. All right.
A little overcooked a little bit.
What, the fries?
Yeah.
We like them crispy. Okay, onions. Where's the tomatoes? Larry, can you hand me that with the lettuce? Thank you.
Didn't I tell y'all these patties was gonna be the perfect size for these buns? Look at that. That's
You
my
did
burger.
say that too.
I so told y'all.
And I did not believe none of it. Y'all, I'm using bread for mine. God dog it. I need pickles. All that good stuff. All right, here we go. Here we go. Mustard. Can you hand it to me, please? Duncan. So how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing amazing. Y'all, I wanted this so bad. All right. Here we go. Who wants a yummy bite? Oh yeah, I'm giving out yummy bites today. Delicious. Okay. Let me take a bite. Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh no, my onion. I need ketchup.
I ain't never had a ghetto burger that was sitting up high like this.
You should have seen Maya's burger.
Daddy bite it.
Hers was sitting up high too.
But you had 2 patties on it?
No, just one. Just everything on there.
Delicious. Ain't nobody saying nothing. Y'all already know what that means.
Did you make these?
Huh?
Did you make these?
Of course. Oh no, I didn't put my bacon on here. There we go. I want to start a challenge for all mukbangers that wear makeup on their face. Go a whole week without wearing makeup. Cause that, I don't see how you can do it.
What?
I would put that down. That lipstick.
Thank you, with all the lipstick on your food.
Why are you worried about my sandwich though?
No, I'm worried about the challenge that I'm trying to make up for these people that do mukbang.
So if you wear makeup,
Even just lipstick, just don't wear it. Do not wear it.
but
No
what's the
makeup,
reason?
no makeup challenge. Just like every person I've seen that do mukbangs, they like women, yeah, they wear makeup or a little bit of something. Like if you just do eyeliner or eyelash, whatever you call that stuff, you don't put it on.
A whole week? Man, you trying to stretch them out, huh? Trying to probably put everybody on blast?
No,
Trying to see who
just,
cute and who ain't cute?
Oh my god.
no, just so you're natural. Like you don't gotta wear makeup on every video. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You just want to see, alright, who gonna do the challenge? I'm not forcing
Well, I don't
nobody
think
to do
everybody
it.
wears makeup every video.
I said for the people that wear makeup.
Oh, okay. I mean, does makeup bother you or something?
Bruh.
You have anything against it?
It's a challenge.
Because I don't think anybody is gonna, you have to call them out too, man.
Bro, people that do mukbangs.
Is anybody?
Yes. If you wear makeup, then do the challenge.
I say it's a dare. What'd you say? You dare somebody, huh?
Okay, I dare you.
Ah,
A whole week.
A whole
If you don't do videos every day, well, then do it for like 3 videos, I guess. No, 7 videos. There you go. Straight.
Because you're beautiful just the way God made you. You don't need all of that extra hanging on. It's cool.
After you just said you trying to see who's ugly and who not.
I'm just being funny. I'm saying because everybody's beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Like beauty comes from within anyway.
Everybody, I hear people say that. Everybody is not beautiful.
In their own
Everybody-
way. Everybody. We all
everybody-
God's children and we're beautiful.
Some people,
Go
some
ahead.
people have a beautiful heart, a nice person. You're just beautiful in the inside. But some people are just ugly. That's why I hate when people say that. Like, yes, there are ugly people in this world. Everybody is not
You're
beautiful.
gonna have a whole bunch of heat on the
That's true. There is.
I don't care.
But
It's
even
the
the ugly
truth.
person still might have a beautiful moment.
Yes.
Might have a beautiful something about them. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes. You know, I'm not gonna give up on humanity.
Not saying I'm just the most beautiful person in the world, because I'm not. But, like, there are ugly people on this earth.
I feel
Everyone
like-
is not beautiful.
I feel like
That's
this.
my girl. Keep it real. Give me some.
I feel like this. There's someone for everybody, and everybody's looks are not for everybody, in my opinion. Like you might think somebody is unattractive, but somebody else might think they're beautiful. So, you know, I don't.
Beauty's in the eye of the beholder, right?
Exactly.
Mhm.
There you go.
That's what I'm saying. I say everybody beautiful.
People might think you ugly. People might think I'm ugly.
No.
People might think
People
I'm
call me ugly all the time.
I don't get that. Now,
People don't call me ugly.
You haven't been on this platform long enough, obviously. Because, honey, the most beautiful people get called ugly.
guess I ain't beautiful, but
People call us beautiful. Some people call us ugly. You know what I mean?
I've gotten pretty, but okay, I guess I'm not beautiful. I can take that.
You have gotten beautiful.
From who? Okay, Gwen.
From your mama,
People in
you
the
are
comments.
beautiful. All of my children are beautiful. All of them. Every
Just
single last one of
now.
them.
But Granny always called me beautiful, yeah. It's my granny. But I don't know nobody else that ever called me beautiful. Called me beautiful. That's funny. Probably on a birthday card or something.
So funny.
Why are y'all laughing?
Oh my god.
Ooh, I said got me something to drink.
I need a napkin.
Can you give me a bottle of water?
Where's the napkin?
If you get, oh, it's right here, right.
Want some fries, buddy?
People want to ride the bike.
Yeah, been outside today. Y'all, we usually go outside every day. Jaden carries us outside so he can ride his bike. But we didn't go outside today.
Outside feeling real good right now.
Oh, it was beautiful earlier, y'all. The weather out here is amazing. It is so nice. The wind is blowing, the sun is shining.
He said no
Want
to
some fries?
fries.
He said no to them fries. If they were McDonald's fries, he'd be eating them.
I
Like,
can't wait until he starts
bro.
zooming on that back.
I know.
On that bike.
Me too.
Watch, he gonna discover what a papa really is because he's trying to go so fast. He get on it. He really wanna go.
That was delicious.
Absolutely.
I need my props,
Good
please.
ghetto burger. This is one of my favorite meals.
You
I'll
say
cook this
ghetto
sometime.
burger?
That's what this is.
Ghetto burger.
A homemade hamburger with the burnt edges and stuff.
Ew.
There's not many things I cook for myself. This one of them.
Who like burnt stuff? Please let me. Did you put your hands up? Say me.
Huh?
You don't like the burnt edges?
I
on there?
like burnt edges on
You
my
don't like
burger.
Burnt stuff. Period. Like
My bologna.
This burger, you didn't enjoy the burnt edges on the burger?
my burger was nice and great. No burnt, not really burnt, but you said burnt edges and stuff.
Yeah, well, man.
And you put your stuff back on the pan. Yeah. I don't like burnt stuff at all.
You know what I noticed though? These burgers don't have those grill lines like I thought they was gonna have. Did I do something wrong or something?
Might not been hot enough when you put it on there.
That could have
What
been it.
temperature did you put it on?
The highest. that
Yeah.
it went.
It was on the highest one?
But it wasn't all the way hot when I put them down there because it didn't like go. Psst. It
Yeah.
went. Psst, You know.
Whoa. Oh man. Yeah, that burger was good.
Y'all slept those good burgers down quick, huh?
But I don't know what I'm doing for
Are
my.
y'all hungry? There's 2 more.
There's 2 more.
Yeah.
Where?
Hamburger
did
room
that.
for them.
You put
Jay, come
that-
here, boy. I'm gonna put a burger on your lip. Come here.
Come here, baby.
This is good.
Come here.
What's up?
He gonna play with it.
Here, that's for you. Yeah, have a little taste. It's good, man. Smell it. Ooh, it
He
smell
said
good.
no.
Everybody wearing black. Except me.
So tell them about the UFO you saw yesterday.
Oh man. Can I have some?
I was jumping on the trampoline, getting
No,
my
ma'am. You
exercise.
making that a habit. You need to drink your own drink.
You be finishing your drink. Like,
I'm not done. Okay, the mukbang ain't over with.
Yeah, I was exercising on the trampoline. I got tired. I laid down on my back. I was just looking up at the sky. You know what I'm saying? Breathing in that good ass prana. And I was just like looking at this one spot, and I seen, and it was like the white clouds, and I noticed that inside of this cloud, like right on the edge of the cloud, there was like a solid white dot, and it was different from the rest of them. And I'm just looking, and it was moving slow. And it like separated from the cloud, and I'm like, oh shit, that must be, is that a UFO? And I'm looking at it, I'm like, that's definitely not an airplane. And I told you, I reached to get my camera after, a few minutes of looking at it. So I'm like, man, maybe I can zoom in on it. I reached to get the camera, and I looked back, I couldn't see it. And after just staring up there trying to find it, it like suddenly appeared again. and it's flying. And then I try to go and get my camera to record it, and look back up, it's disappeared. And I've heard other people, talk about that, how they went to, get their camera to film the UFO, and you've heard that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, every time I try to get that camera, boy, it would disappear.
Bella,
Huh?
hand me that plate with lettuce. I'm gonna make you a lettuce burger. I sure am. Was that it? To the story?
What?
Yeah, is it?
The lint or something on this. I can't
You
believe
season that pretty
ate
good.
that.
You season this with salt and black pepper?
I seasoned it with
Oh, no, all them
Slap
seasonings.
Your Mama.
Okay.
If y'all want to know what I seasoned with, watch my family blog channel at YUMMYBITESTV behind the scenes. But onion powder, garlic powder, Slap Your Mama, cayenne, and I think that's it.
You been putting that Slap Your Mama to work, ain't you?
What? That's my first time
Yes,
really
sir.
using it.
Honestly, because I put you on.
Oh God.
Best decision you ever made.
I don't know if I really taste it like that. You know what I'm saying?
I don't feel like going upstairs.
What?
I want to taste Tony in one hand, Slap Your Mama in the other one, and see which one tastes the best.
Oh, excuse me.
So next time you get Five Guys, you're not gonna get no lettuce wrap, is you?
No. Why?
Cause I was so
What? Those lettuce wraps were good. I'm sorry, they were really good.
like the bun and the meat is what make the Five Guys.
Oh God.
You didn't have the bun.
This meat is bomb.
You don't think the Five Guys patties is bland? I don't have no seasoning like this.
And then you eat it with the fries, they be over seasoning them fries, but they good though.
Well, I love fries.
They throw it in a cup and then throw the rest of your fries in the bag. I like that.
They throw some loose fries in your bag?
The rest of the fries? It's like they cook a batch for you, and that whole batch didn't fit in their cup. So whatever's left over, they throw it in the bag. Like, who does that? Most people try to save and keep them fries for somebody else, another customer, you know?
Woo.
Anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed this switch up. Because I know how y'all love it when we switch it on up.
Dang, I need some more iced tea. You want to fix me some iced tea?
Thought she was gonna get up.
I know.
I know she wasn't. I was just messing with her. You ain't got to make me no tea. I don't ask people to do stuff like that. I make my own tea, you know what I'm saying?
I know
It
you
was a
don't
joke.
ask nobody to make him nothing to drink ever.
Huh?
I know you don't. You don't ask nobody
Yeah.
to make him nothing to drink. Or eat.
It's my own.
Anyway. So, y'all have anything to talk about?
No, I just
Anybody?
No. I just want to go back to school.
Oh no, it don't get that good. Not school. I just want outside to open back up. That's what I want.
You want to go back to school? So you switched up. Because you said that you did not want to go back to school. Why do you
Well,
want
you
to
want to go back for the
Online
people
school?
or the actual work?
Well,
course
who
it
wants
has
to
to
go
work.
to school for actual work?
Hey, that's the people.
Why would
That's what I was
that too,
thinking.
because I'd rather do the schoolwork instead of online. Like, no.
Okay, that's us. Okay.
I would be so happy to be able to go to school online and don't have to get up at 5 something in the morning and get dressed for school. Be at school all day with your tennis shoes on, feet hurting, hungry.
With your tennis shoes.
No, they're giving us more work on online than they would have when we were going to school.
Really?
Yes.
You really be doing it? Like,
Yeah,
it's
I
a
do
lot
it
of work?
sometimes. Well, I used to
Do
do
you
it
guys
like.
think she really be doing? Of course.
I do.
No, mom. People out here that got online classes do not be doing that work.
Thank you.
People be
Well,
fronting.
they take
People
that
be fronting
and-
on TikTok saying,
I ain't got no
if
Wi-Fi.
God ain't gonna do it, it just won't get done.
Oh my God.
Hold on, talking about their homework?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
And like they'll type it in like the area where the teacher or the students could see it. They were like, if God won't do it, it just won't get done.
Bobby wants you.
And I feel like people just do that for TikTok just for clout. I feel like they really be doing their work because who wants to fail? Like at least do some of it. Like,
Man, we in a whole pandemic. I know.
Like people saying that they don't got Wi-Fi. They don't know what.
Thank you. What
they
about
don't
those
know
people?
what
Some people really don't have
electronics
Wi-Fi.
you
are,
have to
like-
go out to. You have to tell the school because when stuff go back to normal, they ain't gonna want to hear. Oh, I didn't have Wi-Fi.
Still ain't going back to normal.
They still gonna pass you.
Exactly. Nobody's gonna fail behind this online stuff.
I ain't
No.
trusting
This
that.
just-
People
This
that
is a
are
show.
failing
You
ain't doing your
seniors,
work,
they're
you're
getting
gonna
I'm
graduated.
telling you.
Failing
you're
seniors are getting graduated. So I don't see how.
Failing seniors are getting Are you
Mama,
kidding
You
me?
serious? Come on now. Everybody is going to get a chance to graduate. If you're a senior, you're graduating.
Wow.
What?
Wow. Where I got it at? Where?
You just get it. You just right there.
Man.
What?
I know that people have like signs in front of their house and like they front yard.
Yeah.
Like if somebody graduated, you know they.
Graduate of 2020. Yeah, we got
But
that
school
down there.
almost over. We,
Yeah,
we
that's
got
that's
like,
where I saw it.
We got
Yeah.
like 1 more month, I think.
Yep. And get y'all done.
When y'all out?
Less
I
than
mean,
a month.
I don't know why I'm
actually.
asking you. When y'all already out? When y'all
June
out?
6th, I think.
What?
June 6th.
What if they say something? You gotta go to summer school.
Oh,
Listen,
everybody has to go to summer school.
That would be
Online summer school.
please. Wow. Wow, imagine. That's crazy.
I wonder if they're gonna have online summer school though.
They're gonna have to.
Ain't nobody going to summer
They
school.
not
Watch.
doing
Ain't
that.
nobody.
That's just
Who
too
wants
much.
to be really. People
That
need
would
to
be
break-
easy though if you need like credits.
People need to unwind and enjoy the last summer. Ooh.
Okay,
Last
credits,
summer.
yeah.
What do you mean?
Ain't nobody
The
enjoying
last
nothing.
summer. Somebody write a novel.
What do you mean the last
That's
summer?
just the last summer, or the last summer of normalcy. You know what I'm saying? Like it's gonna be a heavy price to pay for what goes on this summer, and the things will never be the same after this summer.
Do you know we did not even take a thumbnail?
We can get one.
Yeah, one time
I
I,
don't know
seen
how.
you was biting, and I was biting, and I said to myself, that was a thumbnail. So
We was biting at the same time.
yeah.
I wanted it to where the burgers were gonna be on the grill.
Well, you had plenty of time. I'm sure you can catch a still moment that's good enough. It don't really matter if we all
I
looking at the
sure
camera
hope
and
so.
smiling. It's just, you know.
Y'all, we gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do what? Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. Everyday videos. Hey, hey, and we will see you guys on tomorrow. Peace.
Y'all come back now.
You hear? Bye, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at YUMMYBITESTV and our family vlog channel, y'all, at YUMMYBITESTV behind the scenes with a gangsta line. Oh.